After defeating Vitali, Devon called out Levan to arm wrestle right then and there. Obviously, Levan wasn't going to accept that. He is not in a shape to compete. And realizing that, Devon told Levan and Vitali that even Vitali can beat him right now. Levan is going to take these words with a smile on his face as of now because that's all he can do right now. But he will make sure to let Devon know how well he prepared for it once the third match happens. Levan will remember that. And that's why he challenged Devon for a match in December. Devon told Levan to talk to his manager. So right after defeating Vitali, during his winning speech, Devon was talking with Vitali and Levan suddenly showed up at the table around the stage. Devon was telling Vitali that I've tried to beat Levan twice, but I didn't succeed. And then Levan took the microphone. He told Devon that it was a great match, but I've already defeated you twice, Devon. I beat you, you come back. I beat you, you come back again. What do I need to do to keep you away? Devon told Levan, as big as you are, I am far stupider. And you know I will try again. Devon also said that when you tore my bicep in the first match, it got stronger. You tore my back in the second match, and now even that got stronger. He asked Levan why the Russians used to be so great at arm wrestling, but now they all are terrible. Of course, Devon was joking, but Levan answered him in a serious way by telling him that Russians are not terrible. You have gotten so much stronger. And finally, Levan told Devon that his face is looking scary. He fears him right now. He's scared of him. That's why he kind of needs to stay away from him. So that was a funny and yet serious kind of conversation between these guys. Vitali wasn't saying much, but he also still has both of these guys on his mind. Looks like Levan versus Devon, it's going to be in December. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel.